Welcome everybody to Pismo Beach, California, Oceana Dunes. Ryan here with Von Schiller Family Experience. We're out here at our favorite spot, Pismo Beach, camping for the week. We're out here for 6 days, having fun in the sun on the beach, riding the quads, taking the razors out, playing in the dunes. Kids are hot lapping the camp right now. I think we had a total of like 9 rigs out here, so out here enjoying the sunset. Been out here all weekend. The weather's been beautiful. And check out all the fun. Before you do, make sure you hit like, leave us a comment, and of course subscribe. Check out the fun we had here at Pismo Beach. Well, we're out in the dunes, doing a little playing with the boys. I got Cameron and Jax. Just out kind of showing them how to ride the dunes on the quads. Cameron's got his little 110. It's actually a little underpowered for out here. Can't really get up a lot of the steep dunes. Jax is on a 125, and that seems to be a good fit, but we got to get Cameron to learn how to use a clutch before we step him up to that 125. So just out having some fun in Pismo. One of the boys' favorite thing to do. What's one of your favorite things to do here at Pismo? Ice cream! Come down to Banana Boy. Yeah? So we came down to Banana Boy to get some ice cream. Early ice cream. It's early in the morning. I don't know. Then we're gonna go for a little ride in the dunes with the Schiller brothers. A ton of sand dollars. Craft table. What are we making? Bracelets.
We two all made.
And is someone not bring any slime this year?
She did. I don't know.
Our slime master didn't bring any slime.
That's sad. I still play with slime, but I haven't had a lot in a while.
So this year we've got
bracelets. I have a glow in the dark one.
Okay.
I have a glow in the dark one. Yeah. Lucky. Can I say? The one person.